Hi, I'm Roz Stendahl. I'm a graphic designer, illustrator, bookbinder. I teach visual journaling, drawing, and other art classes. If you're here, you probably know me from my blog, Roz Wound Up. There, I've written for 11 years about my many enthusiasms, including drawing practice, creativity, visual journaling, bookbinding, bicycling, film, to name just a few. 2 cataract surgeries early in 2019 have limited my ability to shoot and then edit the many hours of video that I use for my detailed online classes. Since childhood, I've focused on my creative process, and in response to this change in vision, I started to videotape my studio drawing and painting sessions. I realized that these videos could be a way for me to stay in touch with students and blog readers interested in drawing and the creative process, so I decided to start a subscription blog. Sharing these process videos is a new experiment for me, so I expect that in the coming months, the tier level perks will morph and adapt depending on interest. I'll keep you informed about any changes. To begin with, I've broken the subscription levels down into 3 tiers, which I hope will match a variety of interest and budget levels. Material posted on this subscription blog will appear here exclusively for at least 6 months, though currently I have no intention of posting this material anywhere else. Every month, Tier 1 will give you access to a time-compressed video of that month's 30 to 90-minute sketch. That video will allow you to see the sequence of progress, and for many, this is all they will need. There will be no audio in this video because it is compressed. There may or may not be call-out explanations. In addition, subscribers at Tier 1 will also receive 1 or more blog posts discussing my own areas of interest and focus. Tier 2 subscribers will receive access to all the materials available to Tier 1, but the feature of this level is a real-time version of the month's demo video. I believe that it's important to show the sketching and painting process in real time because it helps the viewer understand the process of choice and timing more clearly. Sometimes you simply have to wait until paint dries, but you're still thinking and planning. There will also be an additional blog post about the creation of the sketch or a materials review or a project explanation. Tier 3 subscribers will have access to all the perks from Tier 1 and Tier 2, but in addition, they'll be able to attend a monthly live webinar where they can ask me questions directly. As we go forward, if there's interest, there's also the possibility of adding a community where people can share and discuss their work. In this way, I hope I can continue my teaching and bring more people to sketching and to painting, and also to get them to think about the ways they can bring more creative voice into their lives. If you would like to subscribe, I suggest that you watch the preview videos already open for view and decide whether it's for you, and then subscribe. I'll still be posting on Roz Wound Up, and I hope that you'll visit me there too. I won't be posting as frequently because of the limits my new eyes pose on my computer time. I look forward to staying in touch.